one do you want to play first?
This one.
All right, open it up.
For both of us?
Mm-hmm.
New. And whoa! Any more boards? I gotta see. Oops. Nope, no more boards. So should we play? Let's see what's in here first. That.
It's a scoring pad. Pencils.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
First,
Roll all the dice. Go ahead.
roll those.
That's okay. That's okay.
And do these.
All right, now what do we do?
Match them.
All right, no, let's let him. Can you put any on the board that you see? What else do we see? Good job. Nice, yeah.
That's an arm bone, though.
It's a leg bone.
Oh.
Go ahead, what other ones do we have?
Keep them both same.
Oh, cool, we need one of those.
This one.
Okay, and put the other one aside.
Don't
We
use.
won't use this one this time. All right, what's next?
He might get done before I even.
Actually, I think that one's a foot.
Yeah, it's a foot.
All right.
It's turned the wrong way. There. A foot.
Good.
You got all three connected.
That's what we're trying to do.
He'll
One goes here.
He'll get every bone full. He'll get full.
Oh, I don't know. That's not where
Head.
that goes. Nope.
No, it goes there.
No. That's the dice he switched. All right, let's see. This one.
Wait.
Oh, you know what? We put that one down wrong. This one goes here.
Wait. Yeah.
Well, that's if we got them all. Did we get them all yet?
No.
Oh, put this one in.
Where? Here. Yep. Bring it in the right way. Don't. Oh, that's a party.
Oh, we have a hand. And an arm. I don't know what this was. I just moved it, didn't I?
Is it E?
That's okay. I don't know what it was. Oh, here. It was
Is it
R.
make a hat?
But it wasn't a head. All right, so now any pieces that aren't connected to the main body, we go ahead and take back off. Damien, it's not your turn yet. I think we roll again.
Instructions are
On the back of the box. Go ahead and roll them again, honey. Gotta...
Here's another set. What?
All right, let's see what we have. Those two we don't need. Oh, here you go. That's a new one. That's the only new one that time.
What?
Oh, this one goes up here.
Oh.
Good. All right, let's look at the directions. Do we roll again?
Let me. Nope.
Oh, look, there's a
Let me.
anatomy guide. You can make a copy of that and use that for schoolwork. Oh, Acosta process if you die and roll again.
Auntie.
So this time, first roll and second roll. All right, roll these, buddy.
Mom, see?
Roll these.
It's a hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, hat like arm.
All right. Oh, look, you got a foot.
A red foot. Red foot.
And do we have anything else new?
A hand.
Good.
And you got a whole arm in. No, Devin got
no,
one
no,
whole
no, 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 no. No, we don't, because we're missing this piece. All right. There you go. Got to work on it a little more. What do you think of this game, bud?
Great. Next is me.
What do you think, Devin?
I want to play.
You want to play Kilter? We're going to
Yeah.
get there. We're going to get there later.
No.